All right. So I'm over here, trying to reactivate all my Dream Glow slimes, and I realized that I have this one sitting that I still have not played with because it just looks so pretty, and I didn't want to mess it up before I reviewed it. But look how beautiful that is. So I have Black Widow from Dream Glow, and look at the little spider stuck to the lid. That creeps me out pretty bad. I don't like that, but it's a Halloween slime. Gotta deal with it. Anyway, so here's all the cute little star sprinkles, which is the main reason I haven't played with it yet, because I didn't want to mess that up. Anyway, so let's do a quick review of this guy, and then I actually did find some that were deactivated, so I can do another tutorial on that in a minute. This one actually might need some activator. Wow, look how pretty that is, though. Why am I whispering? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's spray my hand. It's been sitting for like 6 weeks, I think. I don't know, long time. All right, here we go. Perfect. Oh no, come back, don't leave. Wow, it's just, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It smells good too. I don't remember what the smell is. Come on, slime. There you go. Is that another spider? I swear I thought I just saw one. Oh, okay. So there's more than one in there. Okay. I don't like to touch it even if it looks like a spider. Can't do it. Nope. There we go. To say that I have arachnophobia would be an understatement. I'm one of those people that thinks if you see a spider, you should burn it down. So yep, this is a beautiful bingsu from Dream Glow, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. So let's go ahead as a bonus and show another Dream Glow, which I can do because this is another clear slime, and I have played with this one, but let's show it real quick because it's really, really cute. And I don't think that it is deactivated. Gotta remember to put that back together properly. So this is Trick or Treat, and it has, oh, this one was one of the first ones I got from the new labels, actually. So this one and Hex Girl also have this new label. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're good. So let's grab it and pull it out of there. So this has the fishbowl beads. Look how pretty that is. Oh, you can't really see it. Okay, let's pull the rest out. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, look at me. I'm dropping stuff. Okay. All right. All right. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, man. You know, this is why it takes me so long to reorganize my slimes or reactivate them, because I just start playing with them. Man, look at that. It's so perfect. Yeah, this is a beautiful slime. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, let's do Hex Girl while I'm doing this too. Might as well. All right, so that one was Trick or Treat, and I have no idea what the scent is, but oh, it's like, it smells like candy. So, you know, it's probably a gummy bears or something scent. Something like that. Let's see if we're gonna be able to get this back on here. Oh, look at that. I did it. Okay. Now, let's go for Hex Girl. Look at this. It's a 3-in-1 review. Ooh. Do you see how pretty and sparkly that is? I do. Look at that. This is also a good way to test if it's deactivated, because it's pouring out onto my hand. It's not. Look at that. It's a sparkly butthole. Come on, you were thinking it too. Okay. Wow. Ooh, okay. Suki. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at all the little black stars in it. Ugh! With the ones that are this pretty, I'm always hesitant to play with them because they're so pretty. You know, and I don't really want to inflate it. I just want to admire it. I think it's a coated clear. It's not sticky at all. I love the little coffins. Look how cute that is. Ooh. All right, I guess we can inflate it a bit. Why not? Can you see the rainbow sparkles in this? That is crazy. Oh my goodness. Apparently my neighbor wants to never get married. I can hear her yelling that. Oh my gosh. Yep, that is a beautiful slime. Okay. And it's not going to fit back in its container. I already know it. But that's okay, because now I have a spare one of these sitting here. All right. And this was, oh yeah, this was Hex Girl. I don't remember if I said that or not. All right. Almost. So close. Gosh, it's so pretty. I love Halloween slimes. I mean, I just love slimes, period. There we go. Look at that. Perfection.